Here's a quick filming tip. Whenever you're going to be filming in front of a reflective surface, make sure that you are not getting a reflection of the room that could be distracting to your audience. So you're going to want to be careful about where your light sources are and the angle of the camera against the glass to see what kind of reflection is being picked up. This can be a bit of a pain sometimes, so obviously it's a whole lot easier if you obscure it a little bit or if you obscure it entirely.